Very consistent naman. Tapos 7 birdies today. So with 1 bogey. So okay naman. Best score ko dito sa IOP. Kasi yung par 4 na yon, reachable yung green. So I took a chance na tirahin yung green. But medyo masado lang left yung drive ko. Kaya na-hazard. Yung ginagawa ko ng first 3 days. So fairway green, 2 putts. Tapos antay lang ng birdies.
Today, masaya ko, good round, 4 under par. Maganda yung putting and iron, driving. Okay naman. Yung mental game ko, okay naman siya. Birdie ko, 5 birdie, 1 eagle. Yun, 1 double, 1 bogey. 2 bogey, 1 double. Yun. Tapos, for tomorrow, enjoy the game pa rin ako. Laro lang. Yung ginawa ko sa first round, second round, third round, ganun din yung gawin. Anong ibigay sa akin, yun, tanggapin. Yung hole number, start ako number wak na yun. 3 pat ako sa 10. Ikaw relax lang ako sa marami pang buta. Double naman ako sa 13. Sabi ko, okay lang to, relax lang. Yun, birdie ko yung 14 and eagle ko yung 16. Second shot ko 4 iron. Mga 4 feet. 17, birdie ko naman 17. Mga 5 feet. Masaya ko sa round today.
Okay, made 1 birdie, 1 bogey today. And then putt good. That's it. That's the difference lang between the first 2 days and today. So okay lang. Then for tomorrow, same game plan. Try to hit the fairway, you know, hit it close, make putts. That's it lang. Simple. Fairway greens and hopefully birdies. Thank you.